doors over. To get a close look at the dates. Eat your heart out. You look at the dates, eh?
Take your hand out of the way. I'm going to step on you. Yes, I am. When I do, you going to holler.
I tell you, I'm not feed you, do you? I'm too lazy to cook.
Come over here and check out the grill here. Ooh, Feasto City. We already got the steaks inside. We want a close-up. Well, look at those pork chops. You think we'd have an army coming? We just have a little militia. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Can you see them sizzling? Can you hear them?
Good stuff.
Here, I'll zero in on this one right here.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the dog. Y'all coming out? Come on.
Eat your heart out, McDonald's.
Come on.
Whoops. Here, check this one out. Here, check this. You don't want that one here. You better put a mark on it.
Oh boy, that looks good too, don't it? Y'all got to suffer for next week.
Yeah, for next month, I think.
I told A.W. I ground this steakhouse and made a hamburger out of it. He said, oh, you didn't do that.
You probably hadn't believed it when you saw that.
Say, don't you always eat your hamburger that way?
Now what are those? Are those barbecue ribs?
Yeah.
Well, that's a neat idea.
Yeah, I cook them a boil until they done.
So you had to hit that thing twice to get the date, and then the date and the time.
So that pork so hard to...
And you cooking those onions cold?
Yeah, those are those Vidalia onions.
I've never seen those that cold.
We're going to do it.
You see those big onions over there? You better watch out. There's going to be some
He's taking pictures of
some vehement mouth, some vehement breath around here.
Those are Vidalias. They don't give you bad breath.
Let's see this cookie. I have to see how it works here. She says, Justin got that camera.
Yeah, really.
I tell you, that is a neat idea to cook your stuff.
It heats back up in the microwave real well.
Yeah,
And just, you know, and I figure while you got the grill fired up, you might as well get a lot of mileage out of it, so that's why I do it that way.
Now, I do that when I make soup. You know,
Some sweet potato pie, some Mary Moore.
Oh, Chrissy, what you got, baby? What you got?
You ready to go with me? Okay, this is at the corner of South Eden and Pecan. This is the house with all the mess and the trailers and the fireworks signs and the whole 9 yards. Okay, this is at North Eden, I believe to be the Thomas residence. Here we have a couple of cars and a van. Let's see, we have a car and a van and a Jeep, I believe it is. They can go to. Cars missing some tires. Moving up just to get the newspaper boxes while we're at it here. And in the back too, they have this other thing. It's a van of some sort. In the back, so they've got a total of about
I want my door to shut.
This is at 119 Shadow Lane, and I believe it's the residence of L.D. Allen Jr. I think that was our previous legal representative. Maybe that was one reason he hesitated